Yang! Come here! Huh? What? Maybe, I don't know. Yang! Come talk to me! Sheriff's office! Are you okay? Can you... Huh? What? (6L6 1033). Start a couple more units this way. Yeah, he's breaking down his fences and he's trying to get out. Copy. That unit back up. He's gonna come with you with the back up. Just create distance. But get away from your car. Yeah, just back up. He's going at the police car. We're gonna need a lot more units. All right, he's going after a civilian. L6, shots fired, shots fired. Show me your hands! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Get out! Get out now! Get it out! Get it out! Get out now! Get out now! Get out now! Get out now! Get out now!
I say turn it off. I cannot turn it off.
Get out now!
How can I turn?
Get out! Get out!
I'm nothing.
Get out!
I got a blood.
Get out!
Out of the car, sir.
Get out!
Get out of the car.
But I don't know how can I get it out.
Get out.
Step out of the
I'm
vehicle.
blind.
Do not turn that on. If you turn that on, I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah, I die. Oh, I'm gonna die.
Get out.
How can I get out? How can I get out? I'm a no
He's saying he wants to die.
I'm a pregnant.
Get out. Get out.
How can I get out?
Take off your seatbelt.
You know your blood.
Is he hit?
Yeah. Get out.
How can I get out? Okay.
Take off your seatbelt.
Where does it fit?
No. Well, he can go.
I'm so happy. I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm so happy.
No.
Go back.
No, I got a bleeding.
I know. Sir, if you get out,
How can I get out?
take it
How
off.
can I get out? Son of a bitch! Kill me!
No.
How can I get out?
In there.
Who
Then
don't turn it
we'll
off?
figure it out.
What?
We'll figure out how to open it up. We'll
my
figure
leg
it out.
is numb.
Right there, just chill right now until we figure it out, all right? Just chill.
Tie it
Just
up
chill
my
and we'll
leg.
figure out how to get it up.
How come you don't know?
Because I don't know how to
This
work
is the
thing.
machine.
All right. You're all right?
Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Just
All
don't
right.
touch. Keep your hands where they are.
Tie it up. Good, tie it. Good. Oh, good. Good job. Okay, good. Then take a look. How to tie it up the leg
How do I lift this up off of you?
before we turn it on. Oh, I see.
All right.
But I cannot. My he's blind.
Come on out, brother. Come on
We
out,
need
brother.
you to start.
Come on out.
You need to work with us to move us out. Get out of here.
Step out. There you go. You're almost there. You're almost there, brother. You're almost there.
Slow down, slow down.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming.
Good. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
All right. Let's get you to just lay down somewhere.
That was okay. That's
Come on over here.
good.
Come on over here.
I'm
Come on
gonna
over
clear
here.
in 1141.
That's good. That's good.
42, we got him out. Clear in 1141.
That's it.
All right, have
I
a seat.
tied it out.
Have a seat on this.
Have a seat.
Right here.
Have a seat. Wait.
Right there. Right there. Just sit down.
I cannot sit.
Sit down.
Even lower. No.
No, it has to be.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Okay?
Good.
Relax, partner. Relax.
There you go. You're doing fine.
Good job.
You're doing fine. Thank you. I know.
Good job. You didn't lose it. Nothing. You just take a look. Good job. Oh, that's too much.
No, it's supposed to be tight, man. It's supposed to be tight, okay? Keep that strong.